All right, welcome everyone to the On Time On Target play of the day. You see four screens in front of you. We have the SPY all the way on the left on a 1 minute chart, so we can keep an eye on where things are going as far as the market opening. We have FE, which is our top short. Again, that's that red arrow. I'll leave that on there just so you can see it as a reminder. Looking for about a 35-cent stop. Over here for OPK, that is also short. That's that arrow right there. Looking for probably a 10-cent stop. There's your opening bell. And then for MGI, that's a long. It's already gapped up though a lot, so I'm not so sure I want to take that. So we're watching FE first and waiting for that entry. Again, FE fired their CEO, so we're probably gonna see some short covering here initially. Opco's selling off pretty hard, so can't really touch it there. I'm thinking down in this 30-40 range is when I'm going to take it short with a 40-cent stop. That's off now since it went to a new high here. Okay, take it at 30.50 with a 40-cent stop. And again, this is short. For FE, market's in the green here a little bit. We'll zoom in on that. Getting angry watching OPK falling. All right, 31.04, we're getting close. All right, I'm taking it at 31.01. So I took it at 31.01 and get the stop in up at 31.50. I'll draw arrows here in a second. All right, so we're in the trade right here at 31. So here's our entry point. We have our upper stop here at 31.50. And which is the high of the day, and we have this arrow down. So really we need this thing to move 3R, which is a $1.50 down. Let go. Arrow, killing me. All right. And then we'll take a look at some other names out here now that we are established in our trade. The good news is this thing is not flopping all over the place, so it's nice. Let's get in here and draw some R's. So that would be our first level of R to basically double the money we invested. 30 is the next one, so there's your 2R mark, and 29.50, and we are out. Now this one does, if we turn red, I'm not going to take this whole thing off. I will take 2/3 off. So if you bought, a couple thousand shares or whatever it is, do some math. And this is one of the situations with a market red going in on a Friday. I have no problem leaving a portion of my trade in play, if you will. Because I do think the market ends up down. This thing has a lot more room to run to the downside, just even backing it out. Already this morning, it was down here. So I do think this thing has a lot of room to fall. Hey everybody, this is Steve back with you. Just wanted to close the trade that we opened up earlier today. So referencing on another screen, you should be seeing our FE short trade. As a reminder, we took it here at $31, put our stop up at 31.50. It tested it a little bit, but not really that close to really be concerned about it. And then a steady sell-off all day. Obviously, we're helped by the market. As far as where we ended up in the trade, I'm going to go ahead and kill my trade right here. We're right at 30, which is at the 2R point. Again, we want the 3R, but hey, this was an easy, nice, low stress trade that we got into at a good entry point, and it just continued to sell off throughout the day. So I'm going to go ahead and kill it, take my profits now. And with that, you guys have a great weekend, and we will see you next week.